Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you the Megan wig from Envy in the color light gray. Now, I've already done a color spotlight of this light gray color on the Sheena, so I'm not going to really spend too much time talking about it. This is more about Megan. So, yeah. I just want to preface this by saying when I do my 360 and all that stuff, my bio hair right now is kind of an unruly length, and I've been struggling to keep it under wraps under these really short wigs. So if you see some, black hairs poking out, that's me, not the hair. So Megan is an asymmetrical pixie. She's very, very sleek, has very natural hair density all over. This is a 2.29 ounce wig. The front is 5 inches. The crown down is 4.5. The sides are 4.25. And the nape is 2. So let me go ahead and show you what Megan looks like in this light gray color on all sides. It's a really sleek little cut. And it does have a monofilament top, which I'll show you when I take it off, but it's very nice. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on that so you can kind of see those delicious tiny little knots. This one does not have a lace front though. It's alright though, the bangs are really nice and long. I'm going to go ahead and take Megan off now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. As I mentioned, Megan has a hand-tied monofilament top. It's a single mono top, but it's still nice. Has a generous band of polyurethane right at the front hairline. It is a contoured hairline. She's open wefted on the sides, open wefted in the back, has an extended nape that adjusts a bit like a bra strap. And it is kind of stretchy here on the perimeter. See if there's any permatease hiding anywhere in here. I don't see any. So this is a very light density wig that sits very close to the face. I love this light gray color. It's so cute. Very chic. And that's it. This has been my review of Megan by Envy in the color light gray. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching my wig reviews. Hopefully we'll see you later, Gator, and I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.